Are you staring at a blank page and feeling the pressure? Deadlines approaching fast, frustration setting in? Meet your new writing sidekick, QuillBot. In just a few clicks, transform rough drafts into polished prose, saving your time and sanity. With QuillBot, effortlessly paraphrase complex sentences into clear, engaging content. Use real-time grammar checks to catch every error before they undermine your credibility. Need conciseness? Summarize lengthy articles to extract key points instantly. QuillBot's unique selling point? It's free, yet offers premium features for those serious about writing at lightning speed. Don't let editing eat your time. Are you ready to elevate your content creation and protect your most valuable asset? Click the link in the description and create your free account now. Paste your paragraph into Paraphraser and see instant improvements. Like what you see? Hit like, subscribe for more tools, and comment QuillBot after your first sentence. Don't let another deadline pass you by. Get QuillBot today. Thanks for watching. All the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free. Click the link in the description to start saving now.